From digging deep foundations to lifting skyscraper parts, heavy construction machines are the giants of the industry. But which ones are the most powerful, most essential, and most impressive? Today, we count down the top 5 construction machines that rule the world of heavy-duty work. At number 5, the bulldozer. This machine is made to move earth, rocks, and debris with unstoppable force. Equipped with a giant steel blade in front, it levels land and clears terrain like no other. Whether it's building roads or pushing rubble, the dozer is the brute force of construction. Next is the wheel loader, your go-to machine for lifting and loading materials fast. With its large front bucket, it scoops sand, gravel, dirt, and more, and loads it into trucks with ease. Modern loaders are fast, efficient, and can lift several tons in one go. At number 3, the excavator, the king of digging machines. With its long boom and bucket, it digs trenches, breaks concrete, and even demolishes buildings. Hydraulic power and rotating cabins make it flexible, powerful, and precise. Coming in at number 2, the mobile crane. Need to lift tons of steel or concrete into the air? This is your machine. Mobile cranes can reach impressive heights and move between job sites with ease. Perfect for bridges, towers, and megastructures. And at number 1, the tower crane. Standing hundreds of feet tall, this machine builds our skylines. Tower cranes lift heavy loads, swing 360 degrees, and operate for months on skyscraper projects. Without them, tall buildings simply wouldn't exist. From shaping the ground to building the sky, these machines are the unsung heroes of modern construction. Which one is your favorite? Or did we miss a machine you think should have made the list? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing machine stories.